I'm not in focus. Good morning, everyone. It is currently Sunday. It's 9:30. I should be getting up earlier. People get up at 6 here. I've been up for about an hour and a half, so since 8. But yeah, I've been wanting to show people around the village, in these vlogs. However, I'm moving. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna stand still. However, just since I've got here, it's been hectically busy again. Kind of, obviously, not being in the house for 3 years is a lot of cleaning, a lot of, I say renovations, but like new air conditionings, fridges, stuff that's kind of not been well kept and looked after for the past 3 years. So that's kind of what we've been doing. So I've not really done anything exciting. I've really been going to homeware shops, going for food. I've not gone to any markets. I've not really done anything like that. So in my head, there's not really been anything worthwhile showing. When I've been to the temple, it's been for family bereavement, so it's not really the most appropriate thing to be filming. But I think today I might get a chance to kind of hopefully show you at least down the street of life, and then I think we're taking some of the kids out for food tonight, but I'm not sure if we have the car, so that is going to beg to differ. So really, what else have I just been doing? I've kind of started studying. Oh yeah, that is the reason I'm in Thailand. I was in Bangkok for a few days, then I come home to the village, and I go back in a couple of days to Bangkok to collect my student visa, which is kind of annoying because I don't start uni until the 8th. That was really loud. The 8th, sorry, I'm not drinking, my voice is so croaky and dry this morning. But yeah, I don't start uni for another 12 days after I collect my visa, so it's kind of annoying that I have to come back, but it is what it is. It just cuts my time with my family a little bit short, but I can come back and forth when I'm at uni. But yeah, I have graduated. I graduated about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago, I want to say, from Strathclyde University. So I was like, I don't want to get a grad job, nor do I want to do a post-grad. So I thought, I missed my exchange during university because of COVID, so I thought I'll arrange my own myself. So here we are, going to study Thai in Bangkok for 4 months. Don't really know what to expect. My course has been a bit of a hiccup so far, as they don't know where to place me. As not in skill level, it's just the appropriate course because there's so many of them, and it's not really an international university. They do exchanges, but usually with Thai majors. I'm not a Thai major. I can understand most Thai and I can speak okay-ish, but I can't read and write. So lesson plans and guides and questions are all written in Thai, so that's where they struggle with where to place me. But yeah, that's kind of the update, and that's why I'm in Thailand. So maybe today I will get a chance to show you what we're doing. But firstly, I have to do my skincare. For anyone that doesn't know me, I'm a skincare fanatic. I have studied it so long, and I hope to look slightly more presentable today than usual in these videos, so let's hope. Okay, I'm back to crouching just to kind of show you what I've used in Thailand. Firstly, I used, oh my god, where is the camera? Nature Republic's Vita Pear C, because I love vitamin C to start my day, and it's so funny that all my skincare has melted. Like, what do you expect when it's so hot all the time? But it's actually not a bad thing, because I quite like the consistency of them all when it's so hot. I don't really want anything thick. And honestly, my morning skincare is so basic compared to what I use at home. Because it is so hot, I don't really want much on my face. Then I go in with the Clarins Multi-Active Jour SPF 20. I know we're meant to use SPF all the time, so this is one way of making sure I get get it in, especially when I'm going to be in a hot country all the time. Bring it down to my neck. I'm not even in shot, but I don't care. Yeah, use plenty of that because it is quite low SPF. So, but if say I do go sunbathing, I tend to put on an SPF. I use the Soft Finish Milk SPF, this lighting, man. If I am sunbathing, and obviously on my body as well. Not that one, but another one. If I do go like properly sunbathing, I tend to I don't avoid the sun, but it's really hot sometimes, even for me, and I don't mind up to like 30, 35, and then anything above 35, even I struggle, so. And then I go in with the Carmex Lime, oh my god, my hands are slimy, Lime SPF. But yeah, that's all I have to show for now. I don't know where the day's going to take me. I've used up most of this vlog doing my skin and just chatting an update, so I hope you enjoy that part. Enjoy the update, but that's all. So I'm going to have breakfast, and because we're leaving in a couple of days, we have no food in the house, so I will be having cereal. How Thai of me, I know. Oh, there's no light this way. But yeah, that's it for now. I shall see you probably, hopefully, outside in the village somewhere, or I'll just walk myself down the street. So yeah. 11:30, I have been sunbathing for probably like 40 minutes. As you can see, I'm pale as hell. Just come to show them where I sunbathe. Just show where I've been for the past 40 minutes reading The Hunger Games. Is what I've been up to. But yeah, I get a bit bored. You see me? I get a bit bored. Just sitting there. There's only so much I can read at one time yet. I can't lie there in the sun. Not because it's too hot, it's just I find it really boring. But I look as pale as always, so hopefully in 6 months I'll have a little bit of a tan to make me look a bit healthier. But yeah, that's what I have been doing for the past 40 minutes. For lunch, we have a bottle of Coke, 15 baht. Noodle soup from our friend's stall. Kway teow nam to. 30 baht or 35 baht. So, yeah, it's legit a pound in UK money, I mean British pounds. But yeah, oh, it's so hot, folks. It's so warm. My phone. Oh, this looks much easier, but we're gardening. I just stopped to film. We're all gardening. That is what we are currently doing. But I'm on like moving. Oh, car. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Is getting rid of the garden to replace it with concrete. No, I just fell. I'll show you next door, but my uncle shut his garage, so I'll take you to the shop. Well, I don't know where there's cars and a motorbike coming, so we'll wait here. I feel like this is like really zoomed in compared to my camera. Oh, it's also heavier, so I'll swap. But I'll take you to the shop. Our van runs. And yeah. Where's my cousins? But yeah, that's it for now of the street. People coming. But yeah, rather wholesome. Rather, everyone's just happy here like all the time, which is great. So it just puts you in better spirits. Scotland, catch up in your moods. Well, been digging, and it's hot now to do stuff, so we're all on a rest break. Like, you can see the shade. It's so hot. Now we're playing a classic game of dominoes with everyone, so we love this. Are we break playing dominoes?
ทานเองเลย
เธอดีใจ
ไม่ทานแล้ว